Hello, and welcome to this quick demonstration on how to convert a PDF document into a standard QuickBooks format and import the transactions into QuickBooks with MoneyThumb. Compared to manually entering in data from a PDF document, such as a bank statement, especially for accounts that have a large volume of incoming and outgoing transactions, this simple conversion process will save you hours upon hours of time and reduce instances of human error. First, we'll look at how to convert a PDF file that you've downloaded and have in digital format. This is a standard bank statement from my bank with fields for date, transaction details, amount, and balance. And because I can highlight certain text, and because we can see that the text is broken up into fields, we know that this is an original downloaded PDF document as opposed to one that's been printed and scanned. To convert this document, we'll use the MoneyThumb to QBO Convert Pro software. To try it out, you can just come to Free Trial, select the appropriate version, enter in your email address, and download the installation file. From beginning to end, it will only take about a minute to install the software and have it up and running. Then we'll click Settings and select the account type, in this case a bank statement. And we'll look up the FID of the bank in question. You can quickly filter out the bank's name and select it. Note that this isn't absolutely vital. The conversion process will work either way, so if your bank does not show up on this list, you can simply select any bank without affecting the process. Enter in the bank's routing number if you like, and the account number. Then we'll click OK. And select Convert. We'll select the PDF file we'd like to convert. And you can select Convert to a QuickBooks QBO file right away, or select Preview to call up a preview of the conversion, which we can tweak and modify before we convert. The converter reconciles the transactions found against the starting and ending balances found in the statement here. It's been able to deal with a statement that crossed over from one year to another, and it's taken text from multiple lines and converted it into a single line entry. If the conversion hasn't been mapped correctly, you can do so here. You can expand the size of the entire dialog box and resize the columns themselves to see more of the text. And if you want to leave any of the line items out, simply uncheck this box and it won't be included in the conversion. And up here, the preview will show you information such as the statement's beginning and end balance, deposits and debits, and current totals. Now, if the PDF document has been printed and scanned, it will take longer to process. This is because the PDF is essentially an image file as opposed to a data file, and the software will have to read the data from the image. This means the result will be less consistent than the original digital PDF, especially if there are creases or artifacts on the PDF. So as you can see with this document, this has been printed and scanned, so we're unable to highlight any of the text. In the event the document is marked up or illegible, it might require a bit more hands-on work to clean up, but the conversion will still do most of the workload for you. We'll go through the same conversion process here. Select the scanned PDF and click Preview. It'll take longer as it's going through the OCR or optical character recognition process to identify the text in the image. And as you can see, it did a great job in finding and mapping the fields correctly. The original file has markup over one of the dates, however, making it illegible, so it is marked as a possible transaction, and you can enter in the correct date, then accept the transaction by clicking the Use button. So as you can see, it's preferable to convert from the original PDF, but even if you're stuck with a PDF that's been printed and scanned, the software will still carry most of the workload for you. Now we'll click Convert to QBO, and it saves the QBO file. You can open up this file in QuickBooks Desktop or in QuickBooks Online, as we'll do here. Just come to Transactions, Banking, Upload File, browse for the QBO file we have in mind, click Next, select the QuickBooks account you'd like to import it into, and click Next again to import it into your account. Click Finish, and you can see here that the PDF statement has been converted. And for instance, if it doesn't already exist, you'd need to create a QuickBooks vendor name to match up with the payee name from the PDF file. And as you enter in more and more, QuickBooks will learn, saving you loads of time and effort as you enter in your bank transactions. And that's it, a simple-to-use tool that will save you or your organization hours of manpower while reducing data entry errors. Again, feel free to try the software for free here and experience it for yourself.